Hey friends, and welcome back to another pottery template tutorial. So today we are making the beer Krug. You might also call this a beer stein or a beer mug. Since our studio is based in Germany, I had to go with the German name. The first step, as always, is to cut out the templates. Now you're going to have to tape together the two parts of BK1 to get that whole shape. All right, now go ahead and roll out a 1/2 centimeter slab, and with the 1/2 centimeter you can cut out BK1, BK2, and BK4 once. We're cutting out each template once today. Last part, we want to roll out a 1 centimeter slab to cut out BK3. This is for the handle. Especially with a hardier mug like this, you want to make a slightly thicker handle, and I do recommend that 1 centimeter thickness here. All right, let's start assembling. So we're going to start with the body of the Krug. So you want to cut both of the straight ends at a 45-degree angle. This way we get a really strong seam instead of just butting up the two ends upon each other. So you want to slip and score both sides. And press them together. The next piece we're going to assemble is the rim, so you want to connect it just like you did with the body, so cut each end at a 45-degree angle and paste it together. Okay, so to attach the rim to the body of the Krug, we're going to attach the two more narrow ends. So there's a slight taper on both. You want to make sure you're connecting the two narrow ends, and if everything was cut out correctly, they should line up. So go ahead and score each side and press them together. You can blend them together as much as you want. You can kind of keep a slightly sharper edge if you choose not to blend them together, or you can blend them together really nicely like Bianca is doing here to get a more smooth curve there. It did take me quite a long time to get this shape quite right. I made so many prototypes for this template, and I'm really happy with how it turned out, but I just wanted to get that curve just right. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and attach the bottom. So you want to line it up and mark where it should attach. As always with my templates, the bottoms are a little bit bigger than the base of the piece. That's because you want to attach it first and then trim it to size. So go ahead and score each side and press down to attach. Once it's well attached, go ahead and trim off that excess and blend that seam. Okay, last part, we are going to shape the handle and attach it. So you can use this guide that comes with the template to get it shaped like a really nice hardy mug shape. But of course you can always change the mug handle however you want to. You can attach it in any shape that you want. So you want to make sure you're scoring both sides. That includes the handle itself and then also the spot on the mug where it's going to attach. So you can see what Bianca's doing up here. She scored the handle and then she's pressing it against the mug. This is going to make a really clear imprint where exactly that you need to score. So this is a nice little trick to get that spot exactly right. Now that both sides are scored, you can press them together. There we go, our beer Krug is finished. Now it's just a matter of tidying up to the point that you are happy with it, and we're going to go ahead and let it dry. Once it's fully dry, you can put it in the kiln for the bisque fire. As always, Bianca is using our lovely white berries. And back into the kiln. And here is the final result. I love the shape. I'm so happy with how it finally turned out after all those iterations. I think the curve is just so perfect. And honestly, I would use this for tea as well. This is just like such a nice hearty mug. It is that classic beer shape. We are in Germany after all, but this is a mug that can be appreciated with any beverage. All right, that's it for me. I'll see you next month with a new template. Bye, friends.